guys. So I thought I would do one video of just everything that we were doing before we were moving, getting ready to move, some packing. We mulched everything and just kind of got the property nice looking for spring. We were gonna do it anyway, but we decided to do it before we move so that the renters don't have to do that. And yes, we do have renters living there now, so that is really nice. And my husband's family had come and helped us mulch that evening, so that was nice as well. Pretty flower beds. These shrubs were trimmed last year. They're really big and thick, and they need to be trimmed really badly, so they're just coming back a little bit there. These porch rails haven't been painted yet. I would really like to get some greenery or some flowers in here, but yeah, that is probably not going to happen with moving and everything in a very short span of time. So yeah, I'm just happy we were able to mulch it, and my husband's family came over and helped us with all that, so that was amazing. And yeah, we just need to clean up the yard now. Also, I ended up having a yard sale about 2 weeks before we moved, and so I just added a little footage of us getting ready for that. We got everything out, and yeah, my sister-in-law was there and my mom was there, and they were helping get ready for that, so that was nice. And yeah, hopefully you guys don't find this video too boring. I did not get a lot of footage because we were in a pretty tight time crunch, and there was quite a few different times that there was people around, and not everyone likes to be on camera, and so I want to be respectful of that. And so yeah, I didn't get as much footage as I would have liked, but it's fine. I know that not everyone enjoys like this type of video anyway, so I was just wanting to get this up once, and then I can do videos of us in Florida now and different types of stuff. So here I just decided to make some fruit cups because we were super busy, and it was just nice to have something just ready to go, ready to eat. So I cut up one pineapple and some strawberries and just mixed that together and put it in cups with lids and put it in the fridge, and we loved having it all ready to go and eat. out of the house, or like we packed everything in the trailer. But I just thought I would include a little bit of actually packing, because there was a lot of packing obviously, but that's something that nobody wants to watch, just a whole ton of packing. It's kind of random, but yeah, I included here, I put this carry in a box, and then I had to put another box, and I just thought that was ironic, because that is how it is when you're packing. You never know what's gonna fit. You have to just work with it and figure out a way to make it work and what works best. And so yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and definitely if you want to be notified of new videos that I put up of Florida life and everything like that, definitely hit the subscribe button and turn your little notification bell on so that you guys don't miss out on any future videos. And thanks for watching. Thought I would give you guys a little empty house tour, just because I don't know, in case anybody wanted to see it. If you don't, you can just skip on by, and I would just tell you a little bit about what's happening. We do miss Indiana and our friends and our church and our family and stuff, but we're definitely settling in down here in Florida, and we're starting to enjoy that. So definitely stay tuned if you want to see more of the journey in the future.